Hey everyone, if you want to check the server status of Mobile Legends on your Android device, I will show you how to do it. First, open your any browser on Android and go to www.downdetector.com. Once the website loads, tap on the search bar and type Mobile Legends. Select Mobile Legends Bang Bang from the search results. This will take you to the Mobile Legends status page where you can see real-time reports of server issues. Now, you will see a live outage report. If there are spikes on the outage graphs or multiple user reports saying the game is down, then the servers might be experiencing issue. Scroll down to check for real-time user comments. This can help you see if other players are facing the same problem. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait for Moonton to fix them. You can also check Mobile Legends' official social media pages for updates on maintenance or server issues. And that's it. Now you know how to check the Mobile Legends server status using Down Detector. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tips. See you in the next video.